Okay. The One of the first tools that we use is a website called Medals. It's for U.S. It's for all Junior Reserve Officer Training Corps cadets and ROTC cadets that are in college. We use this to assist them with putting their awards on their uniforms correctly. For anybody that served in the military, sometimes it can get a little confusing if you have a lot. And with the cadets, most of them being new, um, we use this as a tool to help them learn. For some of the older cadets, they get different awards and they're not sure. They use it too. Me being Navy JROTC, I'm going to go over here to Navy ROTC. I'm sorry, Junior ROTC. Click that. Hit go. Navy JROTC. Hit open. And these are their awards. And what they'll do is quite simply click on the ribbon that they get. So, for instance, physical fitness ribbon. They pass the physical fitness test. They click it. And then, if you can see it, there's a G, an S, and a B. That's for gold, silver, or bronze lamp. So whatever one they get awarded, we'll say if they did really well, they get a gold lamp, hit G. Participation ribbon, you can get more than one. So you click that they'll click that they have it, and then if they have more than one, they'll put the number. So we'll say C2. Unit service ribbon, they'll click that. So a lot of times cadets will get more than one, so we'll hit 3 on that one. And same thing with community service. I'm sorry, not 3. Unit service, they get an anchor. So there's that. And then for community service, they can get more than one. We'll put 3. We'll put a common one like drill team. A lot of cadets will be on a drill team. And maybe a recruiting ribbon. So they'll make sure they didn't miss anything. Look around. No, simply personal appearance. Maybe they did well in the inspection. They'll click that. Once they're done, they'll hit go. And then this is how they're supposed to wear them right here. It shows if they have more than one award, how to place their stars. One goes in the center, more than one. You center them on a ribbon, same with the lamps. Make sure it's facing the right direction, and same thing with the anchors. And that's it. Okay. Thank you, and hope you enjoyed. See you next video.